My dear students, I am Praveen Singh, Department of Chemistry, SVM Inter College Lalganj, Pratapgarh. Dear student, today I study chemical kinetics. My topic is chemical kinetics. First of all, we discuss chemical kinetics. It is a very important topic. Chemical kinetics is the branch of science in which we study the effect of temperature, pressure, concentration on the rate of reaction. In the chemical kinetics, we study rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. What is the rate of reaction? The change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time is called rate of reaction. It is written as the rate of reaction equal to the change in concentration of reactant upon change in time. Change in time. It is written as rate of reaction. Rate of reaction equal to decrease the concentration of reactant upon change in time. It is also written as the rate of reaction equal to increase the concentration of product upon change in time. To explain the rate of reaction, how we'll discuss the time vary, then the concentration of reactant or product are changed. Then let us consider a chemical reaction. Let us consider a chemical reaction A to give B, where A is the reactant, and B is the product. Initial concentration of reactant A is A mole per liter, and the concentration of product is 0 mole per liter. Final concentration of product is X mole per liter, and reactant is A minus X mole per liter. From this data, we see when time increases, the concentration of reactant is also decreases, and the time increases, the concentration of product is also increases. Then we can say that the rate of reaction, the change in concentration of the reactant, the time depend the rate of concentration of the reactant. We study the rate of reaction with the help of a diagram. We study how concentration, reactant or product depend the time. Then we draw a graph concentration versus time. concentration versus time. This curve is this is a reactant curve and this is a product curve. From the data, here we study the concentration of A mole per liter, the concentration of the final concentration equal to T A minus X mole per liter, and the final concentration of product is X mole per liter. In this data, we draw the diagram time 0. In the case of reactant, time 0, the concentration of reactant is A. Time 0, the concentration of reactant is A, and time increases, then the concentration of reactant is also decreases. Time increases, the concentration of reactant is also decreases A to A minus X. And in the case of product, time 0, the concentration of product is 0, and time increases, the concentration of product is also increases. In this graph, we can say that the time depends the concentration of the reactant and the product. When time increases, the concentration of reactant is also decreases, and the time increases, the concentration of product is also increases. In this graph, we can understand how rate of reaction depend the time. Student, next point is rate constant. Next point is rate constant. Rate constant. We will discuss rate constant. Let us consider a reaction. A gives product. A gives product. The initial concentration of reactant A is A mole per liter. A mole per liter, and the final concentration of the initial concentration of product is 0 mole per liter. T equal to T time. After T time, the concentration of product is X mole per liter, and the final concentration of reactant is A minus X mole per liter. In this data, we can say that the rate of reaction are denoted by dx by dt, where dx the change of concentration of reactant or product, dt is the change of time. So rate of reaction is denoted by dx by dt or ddt of x. Depend final concentration of reactant. Dx by dt is the rate of reaction, is depend the final concentration of reactant, because when time increases, then change in the concentration of the reactant. T equal to 0, the concentration of A is A. When T equal to T, the concentration of changes, it is called rate of reaction. Dx by dt proportional to A minus X. Dx by dt equal to K into T minus X, where K is the constant, is called rate constant. K is a rate constant. We will define what is the rate constant. From this equation, dx by dt equal to K A minus X, when A minus X equal to 1 mole per liter, then dx by dt equal to K. Rate of reaction is equal to rate constant when the final concentration of reactant is 1 mole per liter. Then we discuss the rate constant for the rate of reaction. From this equation, K equal to dx by dt upon A minus x. The unit of K, dx means partial change in the concentration of x. The unit of dx equal to mole per liter. dt, small time interval. Time, the unit of time is second, and A minus x is the final concentration of the reactant. Its unit is mole per liter. Mole, cancel, second to power minus. The unit of rate constant for the rate of reaction, second to power minus 1. Thank you.